Hello everyone, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading Harrison Dwight, Ballerina and Knight, written by Rachel McFarlane, illustrated by Spencer Ladero, published by Imprint, a part of Macmillan Publishing Group LLC. Text copyright 2019 by Ray Mack Productions Incorporated. My name is Harrison Dwight. I'm a ballet dancer. I'm also a knight. When I spin and I leap, it makes me feel strong, like the world is my stage and it dances along. My armor is silver and shiny and bright. It protects me from things that go bump in the night. When I fall on the playground, it hurts, so I cry. I don't hold back my tears. I don't even try. My dad says to feel all my feelings with pride. Don't pretend they're not there or hide them inside. Sometimes my friends and I just don't agree. Should we go storm a castle or climb a tall tree? Fighting is no way to solve what's gone wrong. If we just talk it out, we can all get along. I watch football with Mom and we cheer on our team. Then pick flowers with Dad by our favorite stream. I love painting my toes in orange or pink. Who says pink is for girls? Pink is just pink. Girls and boys both sometimes feel sad. It's a brave thing to cry. Don't fear that it's bad. It takes lots of courage to feel what you feel. It helps you move past it and helps you to heal. I heard someone once say that boys shouldn't cry. But boys feel things too. It's okay, and here's why. We all have big feelings we carry inside, like love, fear, and sadness. Our hearts open wide. These feelings inside are what make you, you. Letting them out helps the world know you too. The best you can be is just who you are, whether crossing home plate or at the ballet bar. I am both a dancer and a brave and bold knight. But more than all that, I'm just Harrison Dwight. The end. And that was Harrison Dwight, Ballerina, and Knight. All right, everybody. Is everybody ready for a sing-along? All right, we're going to be singing I'm Bringing Home a Baby Bumblebee. So we're going to hold the baby bumblebee like this. And then we're going to squish the baby bumblebee like this because it stung us. And then our hands are all yucky. So we're going to wipe the baby bumblebee off like this. So Mommy won't be mad. All right, is everybody ready? Okay. Buzz, buzz, bumblebee. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. Squish, squish, bumblebee. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ew! It's yucky. Off, off, bumblebee. I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off the baby bumblebee. Now my mommy won't be mad at me. Great job, everybody. That was awesome. All right, there will be a link to that song in the description below. Also linked in the description below is a clothespin ballerina craft and a duct tape sword and shield craft. Also below is 2 Hoopla recommendations, The Daring Prince Dashing and Feel Confident. And those are both very good books. I'll see you all next time. Stay safe and healthy.